To add multiple accounts on TikTok, start by opening the app and navigating to your profile page. Tap the icon that represents your profile picture, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can view your account information and make changes to your settings. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the settings menu. From the settings menu, select the Add Account option. This option allows you to add multiple accounts to your TikTok app, making it easy to switch between different accounts. To add a new account, select the Add Account option and then choose the type of account you want to add. You can add a personal account, a business account, or a creator account. Enter the login credentials for the account you want to add, including the username and password. Once you have entered the login credentials, tap the Login button to add the account. The new account will be added to your TikTok app, and you can switch between accounts by tapping the profile icon and selecting the account you want to use. You can add up to 5 accounts on TikTok, making it easy to manage multiple accounts from a single device. To switch between accounts, simply tap the profile icon and select the account you want to use. You can also log out of an account by tapping the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and selecting the Logout option. Best practices for managing multiple accounts on TikTok include using a password manager to keep track of your login credentials and being mindful of the content you post on each account. It is also a good idea to use different profile pictures and bios for each account to help you keep track of which account you are using. By following these steps, you can easily add multiple accounts on TikTok and manage them from a single device. This feature is useful for businesses, creators, and individuals who need to manage multiple accounts for different purposes.